want to have some fun. Sometimes, to move a few things out of the way, of course, I have to be sort of more or less transparent. You can see right through me, or you think you can, or you can make up a story that saw the guy near this guy, saw the guy speaking about this, saw the guy doing that, so therefore the guy is this. I need attention. I need sort of that real and fake attention, or an attention that we both can participate in because I brought up the subject and you're reacting, acting, or not acting, but reacting, and imagine reacting, acting in that situation. So this video is going to be about the English roulette wheel. There's the American, and then there's the English. I used to call it the French, right? But I call it the French because it says Anglaise on it, and Anglaise in French means English. Roux or rule. The rule. Let's play by the rule. Let's have a roux, which is a tire. We can have a poulet, which is actually the chicken. Okay, now, how is this guy, when is he going to start? I'm not going to waste my time watching your video. So I'm going to make it real short and start with the video. And here's the English roulette wheel. Forget about the numbers. Let's look at sections. Let's understand if the croupier, if the one who rolls the ball, has a consistent motion, in the consistent motion, the timing is right, and the ball ends up to fall here. And then the ball falls here. And then the ball falls here. And then the ball falls here. Okay? You have to just readjust your betting between 8 numbers here or 8 numbers here. But if the ball keeps moving all over the board, that's an inconsistent croupier. Now, normally, I mean, you might have it 1 here and 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now, the thing that's great is how many times we can land in the same area. Do we increase our bets or decrease our bets? What is the mathematics if the ball can keep landing consistently? 4 or 5 times here, 4 or 5 times here. On a 5 times loss of 8 chips, you're looking at a total of 40 to the loss. On a 4 times in a row win over here, you're betting 1 chip, 2 chips. Then all of a sudden you bet 3 chips. That 3 chips that you bet and that are winners times 8 equals to 1 chip 8, 2 chips 16, 3 chips 24. You have won a total of 48. You have now won one more time in 5 rolls here and in 3 rolls here. 5 roll lose, 3 rolls win. In a total of 70, okay, sorry, in a total of 75, right? 3 by 5 times 15. 15 times 3. So you're looking at this percentage. You're looking at almost close to a loss range of 2 to 1, close, and yet you'll make $8. So you have to understand it's all about the consistency. Forget about the numbers. Just forget about the numbers. You just have to know positions. Now, if you want me to start telling you numbers, I can start going into numbers, but really numbers have nothing to do with roulette in the work I do. I can probably work out a consistency if I watch enough numbers. Maybe I'll be able to understand its consistency due to, forget about 32 or 15, right? 32 is the BC world to Mars spirit creation of that delta angle. Alpha beta on Earth, the gateway, okay, to the DC world of man, where the red sun birth brings back the AC spirit to the moon. Why do I say this? Because 1 times 3 and 1 plus 3 will equal to 3 and 4. 3 times 4, 3 plus 4 will equal to 12 and 7. How these numbers interlink in creation and their position might mean something. Are we coming?